The law of attraction means that you can attract the things you want in your life by the power of your thoughts. The basic principle is that you become what you think about. So, if you want to be successful and happy in your life, it is important to focus your thoughts on positive outcomes and believe that you can achieve them. Your thoughts have a direct impact on your reality and can attract what you desire. Therefore, it is important to focus on the things you want in your life rather than the things you don't want. For example, if you want to be wealthy, focus your thoughts on abundance and financial success. This will help you to attract opportunities for wealth and abundance in your life. However, it's not just about positive thinking. You also need to take action towards your goals and be open to receiving what you desire. This means being in the right mindset, having faith in yourself and the universe, and taking inspired action towards your goals. To use the law of attraction to become successful, a person should keep the following things in mind. Priority. The first step is to identify what you really want in your life. It is important to set clear and specific goals that are aligned with your values and passions. Once you know what you want, you can focus your thoughts and energy on achieving those goals. Positive mindset. It is important to maintain a positive mindset and believe in yourself and your abilities. You should focus your thoughts on positive outcomes and believe that you can achieve your goals. This will help to attract positive energy and opportunities towards you. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you to manifest your desires. You should visualize yourself already having achieved your goals and feel the emotions associated with that. This will help to create a strong emotional connection with your goals and attract them towards you. Gratitude. Gratitude is a key element in the law of attraction. You should cultivate an attitude of gratitude and focus on the things you already have in your life. This will help you to attract more abundance and blessings towards you. Action. The law of attraction is not just about positive thinking, it is also about taking inspired action towards your goals. You should be open to opportunities and take action towards your goals. This will help to create momentum and attract more opportunities towards you. In summary, to use the law of attraction to become successful, you should prioritize your goals, maintain a positive mindset, visualize your success, cultivate gratitude, and take inspired action towards your goals. With practice and dedication, you can harness the power of the law of attraction to create the life you desire. To use the law of attraction to attract a great relationship, you should keep the following things in mind. Clarity. It is important to be clear about the kind of relationship you want. You should identify the qualities and characteristics that you desire in a partner and focus your thoughts on those qualities. Positive mindset. You should maintain a positive mindset and believe that you can attract a great relationship. Focus your thoughts on positive outcomes and believe that the universe will bring the right person into your life at the right time. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you to manifest your desires. You should visualize yourself in a loving and happy relationship, feel the emotions associated with that, and believe that it is already happening. Self-love. It is important to love and respect yourself first before you can attract a great relationship. Focus on your own self-growth and be the kind of person that you would like to attract. Action. The law of attraction is not just about positive thinking, it is also about taking inspired action towards your goals. you should be open to opportunities to meet new people and take action towards building meaningful connections. In summary, to use the law of attraction to attract a great relationship, you should be clear about what you want, maintain a positive mindset, visualize your desired outcome, love and respect yourself, and take inspired action towards your goals. With practice and dedication, you can harness the power of the law of attraction to attract a fulfilling and loving relationship. Does the law of attraction work? The law of attraction is a concept that suggests that positive or negative thoughts and beliefs can influence a person's life events and experiences. The idea is that by focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, a person can attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts can lead to negative experiences. While some people may believe in the law of attraction and have found success with it, there is no scientific evidence to support its validity. The concept is largely based on anecdotal evidence and personal experiences. It's important to note that positive thinking alone is unlikely to solve all of life's problems, and that external factors such as luck, opportunity, and hard work also play a significant role in achieving success. In summary, the law of attraction may work for some people, but it is not a scientifically proven phenomenon and should not be relied upon as a sole solution to life's challenges. What are the three laws of attraction? The law of attraction is a concept that suggests that positive or negative thoughts and beliefs can influence a person's life events and experiences. While there are various interpretations of the law of attraction, here are three commonly cited laws. The law of vibration. This law suggests that everything in the universe, including thoughts, feelings, and objects, vibrates at a particular frequency. According to the law of attraction, positive thoughts and emotions have a higher frequency and can attract positive experiences, while negative thoughts and emotions have a lower frequency and can attract negative experiences. The law of magnetism. This law suggests that like attracts like. This means that a person's thoughts and emotions can attract similar people, circumstances, and experiences into their life. For example, if a person focuses on positive thoughts and emotions, they are more likely to attract positive people and experiences. The law of manifestation. This law suggests that a person's thoughts and emotions can manifest into physical reality. This means that by focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, a person can attract and create the things they desire in their life. It's important to note that the law of attraction is not a scientifically proven phenomenon and should not be relied upon as a sole solution to life's challenges. To use the law of attraction for making money, here are a few steps you can take. Set clear financial goals. Write down your financial goals and be specific about the amount of money you want to make. This will help you focus your thoughts and energy on achieving your goals. Visualize success. Visualize yourself achieving your financial goals and focus on the positive emotions associated with that success. Imagine what it would feel like to have the money you desire and hold that feeling in your mind. Practice gratitude. Be grateful for the money you already have and the opportunities that come your way. Focusing on what you have rather than what you lack can attract more abundance into your life. Take inspired action. Take action towards your financial goals and be open to opportunities that come your way. The law of attraction works best when you combine positive thinking with inspired action. Remember that the law of attraction is not a magic solution, and it requires consistent effort and focus to see results. Additionally, it's important to be ethical and honest in your pursuit of financial success and to use your resources to make a positive impact on the world around you.